In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change my Google default news. First, let's begin by opening the Google app on your device. Look for the colorful icon that resembles a G on your home screen or app drawer. This app is essential for accessing personalized news content. Once you tap on it, the app will launch, displaying your personalized feed. You will see various news topics, updates, and suggestions tailored to your interests. It's important to have this app ready as it is the gateway to changing your news preferences. This sets the foundation for everything we will do next. Next, locate any news card in your feed. A news card is a compact summary that shows headlines, images, and key information about a news story. You might see topics ranging from sports to technology or current events. Take a moment to scroll through your feed until you find a news card that catches your eye. This step is significant because it ensures you are interacting with content that you want to personalize further. Engaging with a specific card will allow you to customize your news experience based on your preferences. Once you have identified a news card that you like, tap the heart icon, which is the follow button. This icon is usually located at the top corner of the news card. By tapping this icon, you are indicating that you want to see more stories related to this topic or search term in the future. It's a simple yet powerful action that helps the Google app understand your interests better. Following topics enhances the relevance of your news feed, ensuring you receive updates that truly matter to you. Now, let's move on to the next step. Tap the three vertical dots in the bottom right corner of that specific news card. This icon represents more options and is your key to customizing what you see. Once you tap it, a menu will appear, presenting you with different choices regarding that particular news card. This small but crucial action opens up additional functionalities that allow you to tailor your news experience more finely. Understanding how to navigate these options is vital for creating a news feed that aligns with your interests. After that, you'll want to select either Not Interested in or Don't Show Stories from Picture. This choice allows you to hide stories that do not resonate with you or publishers whose content you prefer to avoid. Simply tap on your desired option, and the Google app will take note of your preferences. This is important because it permanently removes unwanted stories from your feed, ensuring a cleaner, more enjoyable news experience. By taking this step, you will find your feed more relevant and aligned with your interests over time. With these steps completed, you have effectively customized your Google News experience. You have taken control of the content you see, making it more aligned with your interests and preferences. This personalization not only saves you time but also enhances your overall experience while using the app. Remember, a tailored news feed means you will be more engaged with the information that matters most to you. Thank you for watching this tutorial on changing your Google default news. I hope you find your newly customized feed enjoyable and informative.